This is Norimax saying hello once again. And again, this is another Excel tutorial for beginners. And our topic today is how to make this letter slanted or diagonally inside a cell. So let's do this. First, select letters that you want to align and click this icon under Align and choose the angle that you want. Like this, vertical, diagonal, and you can change also the direction of the letters. You see, this one we can use it later, so later I will show you. Because our cell don't have yet the borders, so just click the borders like that and have the borders, and then I will change the background color. Highlight this area. Good. No, I want the bad. So this is how you feel the background color, and you can choose also here. You can select here. And like that. The background color is already done. Now we're going to go back to the alignment that I've shown you before. Highlight these letters, and then this area is the thing that I want to show you, that you can customize here also. The degrees, alignment of the cells, the letters, and the borders. And if everything okay, then click OK, so that your product is done. So I hope you have enjoyed watching this video, and please subscribe for more videos, and thank you very much. Bye bye.